So long as somebody controls your time, two things they will always have over you. They will control your life and they will control your money. I mean, that's true. Okay, say that, go and tell your job that, you know what, I don't want to work 40 hours a week. Okay, no problem. They take away your life, they take away your money. So long as somebody controls your time, they control your life and your money. You can't go on vacation when you want to. No, you have to ask for permission. Imagine at what age you're asking for permission to go on vacation. They control your money. Okay, so that dictates when you put your children in school. That dictates what kind of car you drive. That contains that. Okay, what kind of life am I going to live while here on this earth? Why? Because they control your time. Crypto gives you back your time, which means gives you back your life and gives you back your money that you so deserve to have, like any other human being on this earth. This is the point of crypto. The point of crypto is to what? Give you back your life, give you back your time. Madam, I hope you learned something today. And I hope that there are some things you have to think about. You have to ask yourself some serious questions. Share this. I'm going to post it on YouTube, right? Share this with your friends. Share this with your friends. Let them watch this. Because I think that out of all my videos, this has been one of my more powerful videos today. Why? I think I was just led to do it. Crypto gives you back your life and your time. Because without it, some other human being will control you for life. You know what that is? That is just a slow death. That's all that is. That's just a slow death. Do you know, madam, have you ever flown first class? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Have you ever flown first class?
First class my whole life.
You said what?
When I started doing it, I flew for first class my whole life. I was one of the choosing for the first class all the time because I used to travel a lot. Every 2 weeks, I have to be out. 1 month, 2 months, I have to travel. And then
hold on. Okay, let me ask you the question this way. Wait. Let me ask you the question this way. Have you ever flown first class internationally?
Yes, I flew first class when I was in Africa because I was a
No. Africa, no. I'm saying, okay, from America back to Africa. Have you ever flown it?
No, not for America back to Africa. I flew from Africa.
Okay. From Africa to America. Okay, from Africa to America. Have you ever flown first class?
No, from Africa to America, I never flew first class.
Okay,
but from Africa,
From
Africa for China. From Africa for China.
To Europe. From Africa to Europe. From Africa to Europe. Have you ever flown first class?
From Africa to Europe, no.
Okay. From America to Europe, have you ever flown first class?
I didn't fly first class.
So the other first class you have known is from Africa to Togo.
No. Africa to China, Africa to China, Africa to Ethiopia, Africa to Dubai.
No, that doesn't count. Listen. That doesn't count. That doesn't count.
Okay.
Those are not first class. What is that?
Because you know that's the place that I was doing my business. And then
No. Those, from one African country to another country, it does not count.
No, but
I say it doesn't count. It's a different experience.
China is not Africa.
Oh,
China is not Africa. Yes.
Okay.
I flew first class to go to China. Yes, every time.
Okay, very good. Very good.
Yes.
Okay, now the question is, did you not see the difference?
A lot of difference.
Oh, there's different. Okay. When you were in the airport, were you not on the were you in the lounge?
Yes.
Eh? When you lay over, were you in the lounge or did you stay with the public?
No, I never stay with the public. When you are in first class, Royal, when you get over there, by the time you get to the plane, they put you for the first class. They take very good care of you. You understand?
But when you do layover, where do you stay?
Where they put me on the plane.
Layover. I said layover.
I don't understand me layover.
Layover is okay. Let's say the plane has to stop in the middle, and then you catch another plane to go somewhere, right?
Ah,
that okay. Layover. Have you ever done it in a lounge? Have you ever seen it?
Yeah, I have stopped a layover.
Yes, but have you ever stayed in a lounge in the layover?
Yes.
You have?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Do you like that experience?
I like it. Beautiful.
You love it,
they take care of you. You eat very well. And then they pay attention on you. They respect you. They respect you.
Exactly.
That's why
free. You eat food for free. You can sleep there, blah, 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 right? They give you blankets, everything in your layover, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, my question now, and this is how we will end it. Do you want to have a first class life or do you want to have a general public life? Now that which one do you want?
Professor?
Is a simple, which one do you want? Do you want first class life or do you want general public life?
Let us listen for God. Even before that time.
I didn't ask you all that. I asked you a simple question. Do you want first class life or general public life?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know.